Hi, good morning, students. Mung banen game lecture start ko the complex number ki complex number bamunga sanga add ko or sanga multiplication baddi ko. Awal bamunga complex number define to complex number two real numbers ki munga wuli ku plus form ki au I for imaginary unit for sarai to get a complex number way. For example, 2 plus 3i, 4 plus 5i, 6 plus 7i, these type of numbers that you come the complex number way. देखिए a और b चिकम दे द real number दी और due to I चिकम दे द imaginary unit थे and did what is the first of them real part to second of imaginary part way. संग बमंगा दा add को और संग बा multiplication को कुछ video की बा दामंगा express को. Add or subtract 7i plus 9i. Simple. In addition की चिता सर हर सुमरा आई तस बदागे पर 1i लिखा है. अब नंबर इमेजिनरी पार्ट पर हमेशा तो पर इमेजिनरी सर मुझे ऐड को रियल पार्ट पर रियल सर. जल तब मुझे सर आई द 7i so दा मतलब द इमेजिनरी पार्ट है. 9i again the imaginary part है वाली च आई दा. So 7 plus 9 16 and just write 1i. That is your answer. The question था ऊपर minus 5 plus 6i plus 2 into minus 11i. Thus the will real part with real. Minus 5 this are I nicht and the real part. But delta 2 sir I nicht the real part. So minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2, the answer is minus 3. Come to the second one, imaginary. 6i minus 11i. Numang tapat minus 11 plus 6, the answer minus 5 थे. अब मुंग बहुत सारा आई बोली क्वालिटी बहुत सारा आई दी. The question तराशे 2 plus 3i minus into 4 plus 2i. Again real part real सारा 2 सारा I nicht the real दे. Delta 4 सारा I nicht the real दे. No 2 minus 4 the answer become the minus 2. 3i delta minus the minus will enter here. So 3i minus 2i equals 1i चिकन दे दादा I बराबर है. तासु डा कुछ तरीका निकले 2 plus 3i bracket open का minus will enter here minus 4 बशी minus the delta enter सिदाव minus 2i शी तासु यो step दे तुमको ले से बे real part real सरा अब imaginary सरा answer बस सेम रहेगी. Multiplying and dividing complex numbers. Padi lecture को हम सिर्फ multiplication of complex numbers तो next lecture को हम conjugate and dividing complex number. Multiplication is very simple. Numbers we will multiply with numbers and I we will multiply with I. For example, here is written 3i times 4i. Very simple. Multiplication मंगा कहूँ 3i times 4i. Always we will multiply numbers with numbers. 3 times 4 is 12. I times I means bases are same I, so I will write power will add, so I power 2. Now as we know that I square is equal to minus 1. तासु तमाम फर्स्ट लेक्चर क्वेरी किताब तासु लाजिमियात साथ है कि I square चिकम दे दामंग सर द minus 1 बराबर दे. No I square को दे बजूली कम minus 1. So 12 times minus 1, the answer is minus 12. 7i power 2, very simple. Musa question is 7i as a whole power 2. Alkalichi power 2 rashi power 3 rashi without separate both money will equal 7 power 2 times I power 2. 7 power 2 means 7 times 7, which is equals to 49. I power 2, as I told you, it is equals to minus 1. So multiply in place of I square mungawuliku minus 1. So 49 times minus 1, the answer is minus 49. And that is your answer. Thus, the question try kai minus 7I times 12I. Very simple. Uh, Minus 7 times 12, it is minus 84. And I times I, it is I square. Again minus 84. As it is very ku I square chicken the minus 1 barabar de. Now, minus multiplied by minus is plus. 84 times 1 is 84. Minus 11I whole power square. So write separately minus 11 power 2 and I power 2. First of all, thus the which are power even number in minus will become directly plus. So that the minus is the plus c. 11 power 2 is 121. 11 power 2 means 11 times 11, 121. And I square is minus 1. So again, 121 times minus 1, the answer is minus 121. हाँ उसको दाव को imaginary number की मुंगा multiply को उसका complex numbers मुंगा संग multiply को 4 plus 3i 7 plus 2i very simple 4 plus 3i into 7 plus 2i څنګه چې مونږ دا میتھډ مخکې کړی دی فویل میتھډ دا به مونږ ملټیپلای کوو په فویل میتھډ first terms then outer terms inner terms and last terms اول دا first term real part چې کوم دی دا به مونږ ملټیپلای کو first سره 4 times 7 the answer is 28 outer is here 4 and here is 22i second dakka 4 but multiply ki second term sir 4 times 2 sign is plus so I will put plus 4 times 2 the answer is 8 but here is I so you have to put I now which timung sir come there third term fourth come there da munga multiply ka first sara then second sara was inner matlab the 3i and 7i matlab the d number there was these are 3 times 7 21 then tamung sara I then zaba I put now last 3i is the last and 2i is the last so now I will multiply 3i with 2i 3 times 2 the answer is 6 and I times I the answer is I square this was the multiplication now just we have to add 28 as it is हमेशा रियल पार्ट को रियल पार्ट सर प्लस कीगी और इमेजिनरी पार्ट को इमेजिनरी को 8i is imaginary 21i is imaginary so 21 plus 8 the answer is 29i plus 6 I square is minus 1 so in place of I square we will write minus 1 so it will become minus 6 so 28 this one will become minus 6 okay I will do 2 steps for your understanding 29i as it is 6 multiplied by minus 1, the answer is minus 6. Thus, the which imaginary parts are 8 or real part real. So 28 and minus 6 are real part. 28 minus 6, the answer is 22 plus 29i. And that is the final answer. تاسو له پکار دي چې دا ډایرکټ سټیپس کې کوئ دا تاسو ایکسپلینیشن لپاره ما دا یو سټیپ زیات وکړه دا موږ سره فاینل آنسر راغلی File method is very important. It means first term, when you will multiply the first term. O means the outer. Outer, this is the outer and the last one is the outer. I means the inner and last means the last term and last term. मतलब कि तब कंफ्यूज कीजिएगा डायरेक्ट फर्स्ट टर्म राखले द सेकंड दोन टर्म सर मल्टीप्लाई कोई दागे न बाद द सेकंड टर्म राले दी दोन सर मल्टीप्लाई कोई न तब वो तरतीब सर आंसर राजी आदि के मगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन वो को द नोर क्वेश्चन द पार तासो ट्राई कोले शे जो स्क्रीन में तासो शो कोम द क्वेश्चन और द आंसर कंजुगेट पे मंगा पे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर नंबर 3 के स्टार्ट करूं और दा लेक्चर दल तक कंप्लीट शो